Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Moto Nerd. A very happy new year to everyone. This is the first log of 2026, and I hope everyone had a good break and a good new year. They got to spend time with their families, they got to travel, or maybe just do nothing, which is what I did. I didn't travel anywhere. I was at home, but yeah, it was a much needed break. Sometimes you just have to do nothing to recharge yourself. So yeah, I'm on my way to the office. I'm in Marol, and I will be taking that new route. For a change, I'm recording in 4K today to see how it turns out, because I have not done that yet. At least the long form of the videos, I have not done it in 4K yet, because the file size is so huge, and I have to do the editing on my phone. So I don't have a proper PC or a laptop to do that yet. So let's see, maybe in the future. Oh man, people are so impatient nowadays. Yeah, so maybe in the future, once I have something to edit on, maybe I'll regularly record on 4K. But this is more of an experiment today, and I'm hoping there's not much traffic. Today is a Thursday, by the way, and yeah, I'm on my way to the office to complete my weekly quota of going for 2 days a week. So this is my first day of the week that I'm going to the office. I'll have to go again tomorrow. It's a completely useless policy that firms have, especially when you're in IT. You can work from anywhere in the world, and I get that when they restrict you folks to, I mean, when they restrict folks to carry their laptop outside of the country, there are some regulations and all around it. So that is fine, but at least within India, I mean, there shouldn't be restrictions on whether you need to come to the office or not. Maybe on some occasions I get it. Okay. They dig up roads everywhere, man. I mean, I don't know what they are planning to do. It's not like the drainage system gets better every year. I mean, it's still the same, more or less the same. I mean, yeah, it does get better, but why don't they just fix it all in one go? But yeah, I mean, I think that's the point, right? They want to keep digging every year so that they can make money out of it. Yeah, in other news, there's a gym nearby here in Marul called Move Max Gym. If you look at the reviews, that gym has like very good reviews. But we went there to check on how the membership and is and all, and we got to know there was a warehouse in place of the gym, and we got to know that the folks who were running the gym, they ran like a month ago. They maybe didn't pay back all the money for the memberships of the folks who had joined. I mean, no, they usually don't, because all gyms have that no refund policy, but they just ran away. The hoarding is still there, but within it there's a warehouse, and even the guy who was running the warehouse recommended that I don't look for gyms in this area. Maybe on the other side of that Meti River, but not here. So yeah, finally I've joined a gym as well. I'm trying to get back in shape. Like 1 month of the gym feels like I've been off the gym for my entire life. You become so used to that routine. So yeah, 2026, I need to get back in shape. This route has smaller roads, but it's a shorter route, so I reach the office in less amount of time. But yeah, if there's traffic or if some heavy vehicle comes in, then yeah, I'll be stuck. तो कर सकता है क्या? It's always dangerous to overtake on turns, so always be careful because you don't know what vehicle is going to pop up on the other side. If you have clear view of the entire road ahead of you and there's no vehicle coming in, yeah, that's a good time to overtake. But don't do that like when there's no point in honking as well when you see there are vehicles ahead of you. How much time are you going to save? Like, yeah, it feels good to ride the scooter. I didn't get much time to ride the scooter during the holidays as well. I was sick actually half the time. I did lost my voice. I had a really sore throat thanks to all the pollution in Mumbai, I guess. Yeah, the AQI is going up again. People blame it on the construction, but the government blames it on the vehicles and they push for EVs. So yeah, that cycle is still on. And yeah, look at the AQI meter. All the AQI the digital AQI meters outside the construction sites will show you that you're living in Switzerland. But in reality, you can literally see the pollution in the air. It will be close to 300 or so all the time nowadays. So I've reached the Sakinaka junction. Take a left from here and then I move on to the road that connects me to Powai. It's 10:16. It's kind of sad how bad the roads are in Mumbai. It's the financial capital of the country, but in the basic necessity of vehicles on roads just to have like good roads, but plain roads like what I want. They say that concrete kar denge, then concrete roads are created, but they don't do it properly. Oh, that's a guy coming in. Sad man. Oh, there's a footpath as well, okay. Then maybe not that sad. To go to the right, so I'll get a chance to go. There's traffic, I guess, on this side of the road. Okay, got through. Let's see how quickly I reach the office now. I want to take my scooter out for long rides, but I guess I'm too lazy or not getting enough time as well to chill out. And the workload is always high nowadays, and the timings are bad for the work that I have to do. Like it consumes the entire day. I wish I had a day job, more of a day and night kind of job that I have right now. Delivery guys, they know their way out of every nook and corner in Mumbai. Yeah, when I think about it, I actually found a new channel. It's called London Eats. I've been watching his videos for the past 2 days, and it's really fun to watch. I mean, I've been watching his entire video. I don't know, like it's like peak male content kind of thing. Like a guy, he is just going out on. He has a day job. He is an electrician, and he does this delivery job. Like there's an app called Deliveroo and Uber Eats, I guess, in London. He does afternoon shifts or like day shifts, 3 or 4 hour shifts to deliver stuff, and he records everything. And the way it is presented and the editing also has been good. I mean, the video quality is also really good. So yeah, I've been watching his videos. I subscribe to him as well. Yeah, that's one pastime that I have nowadays. I just pick one of his videos and keep watching while I'm having food, or when I'm bored of work and need to chill a bit. I just watch some random YouTube video. And here's my number one option now. Like, even I wanted to try out delivery job at some time. Like, I mean, as a part time, not as a full time. Like, it's not sustainable, especially when you're living in a city like Mumbai, where everything is costly. So it's not that sustainable, but yeah, maybe at some point I'll give it a try. This is why Ntorq is fun. The torque on this scooter is like mind blowing. You can zoom past like any vehicle on the road. See, just a small pull of the throttle and you're far ahead. Okay, there's a police woman here. This road connects to the JVLR highway. Oh shit. Maybe not the best of routes to go to office today. Oh, bus stopped on the middle of the road, and this is like a single lane road, so that's why you have this traffic. अरे यार, Range Rover Vogue. Nice car. Yeah, I think all the traffic was because of the bus that got broke in the middle of the road. Nice. ठीक है, यहाँ से अब कितना टाइम लगेगा देखते हैं. I hope I'm still recording and the audio is getting captured properly and the video quality is good. I'll only get to know later. Let's see. I'm almost at Hiranandani. I might stop recording in some time, and I'll continue recording on my way back home. "7,000 kilometers, new milestone." Yeah. Took me a lot of time, but good to see that number on the dashboard. Well, I'm in Hiranandani now, and I think I'll stop recording now. And I'll talk to you guys on my way back. See ya. अरे यार, ठीक है. Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm on my way back home, and I took a wrong turn from somewhere, I guess. See if I can head there from here. No, oh, this is a one way. I guess I'll take the turn from ahead. This police. Someone got caught. This is why you should be wearing helmets. अरे बाप रे, छोड़ नहीं. I'll go from here. Oy, my heart skipped a beat. There seems to be a lot of traffic wherever I'm going on this side. There's no one-way route here. Why is there so much traffic today? Acha, okay, this is taking me to JVLR, and from there I'll head back into the Chandivali Farm Road. But there's too much traffic today. I don't know why. Usually there's not much traffic at this hour of the day. Oh man, there's too much traffic on this road. Content. It's usually always the fault of the auto driver, but I don't know what happened here. They do take some really nasty turns, these auto drivers, and then they start blaming everyone else. So maybe that's what happened here. I'm not sure. I'm not taking his side though. Oh my god. This guy is not going to.
चल अभी जाके बता मेरा चौकी है, चौकी में चल तू अभी चल। नहीं क्या बोला ना, क्या चल निकल के बता। क्या बोला, क्या अब तू निकल के बता। मेरा चौकी है, चल चौकी चल। मैं क्या बोला तुमको गाली दिया दादा, वो बात नहीं हुआ तो मानो ना, मानो ना, उल्टा उल्टा से बात करे। मैं भी रिक्शा चला रहा हूँ, अगर आप रिक्शा चलाते हैं तो नहीं बात करते, गलती होती है, ऐसा नहीं है। मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आप रिक्शा चलाते हैं ऐसा नहीं बोलते। हाँ नहीं बोलते। अरे रिक्शा से कुछ नहीं बोला, तू उल्टा चढ़ रहा है, एक तो गलती नहीं कर रहा हूँ, चढ़ रहा है।
Too much content for today. Whenever there's any fight on the road, this at least at one side there will be an auto driver. अरे यार, I had taken the JVLR, I would have reached sooner, I guess, but अरे कैसे, किधर जा रहा है? People just want to. What the hell, man? See, I get it, there's traffic and you want to cross the road, but at least follow a straight line, not move it like a snake on the road. Just putting everyone else in trouble. Oh, disabled guy is doing Zomato duty. People like them are very inspiring. You take a lot of things for granted in life, and such people put you back on the ground. They make you realize how grateful you should be for all the things you have in life. And even with that, I mean, even if you don't, he is doing his part in life to get by, and that's what we should be doing as well. I'm keeping to the right because I need to take a right turn ahead. There's no need. You will get the road. Let that guy go, and then go. Oh no. These electric vehicles are really dangerous on the roads. You can't hear them, you don't see them coming, and they suddenly take these turns and stuff, then you're going to take a hit. कितना दिखा रहा है? PM 2.5 is only 50 over here. अरे वाह. Where are all these heavy vehicles coming from? And why today? Well, I'm almost home. I'll stop recording now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Those who are new to the channel, you can subscribe down below. Comment down below what you like about the channel, like about this video, or if you want something else from this channel. This is the Moto Nerd signing out. Bye bye.